Hello everyone, I'm Pooja Sharma, your nutritionist, and I welcome you to Myoptar's channel. Today, we are diving into a powerhouse nutrient that not only keeps you youthful but also protects you from several diseases. Yes, we are talking about vitamin E. In this video, we will uncover the 9 incredible health benefits of vitamin E, explore who should avoid taking it in supplement form, identify natural food sources, and discuss how much of it you actually need daily. So, let's get started without further ado. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin made up of a group of compounds, with alpha-tocopherol being the most active form. Often, we think of vitamins as simple nutrients, but vitamin E is far more complex and powerful. Its real magic lies in its ability to fight oxidative stress. When oxygen reacts inside your cells, it creates harmful byproducts called free radicals. These free radicals damage cells, leading to problems like aging skin, kidney damage, and heart issues. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, neutralizing these free radicals and reducing oxidative stress. So, if you're looking to slow down aging and keep your cells healthy, vitamin E is your best friend. Did you know vitamin E is a heart hero? It helps in multiple ways, reducing bad cholesterol, LDL, lowering triglycerides, improving blood pressure, and even preventing oxidative damage in blood vessels. By improving overall cardiovascular health, vitamin E lowers the risk of heart disease. If you want to keep your heart strong, make vitamin E a part of your diet. For people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, vitamin E can work wonders. This condition occurs when fat builds up in the liver, causing damage over time. Studies have shown that vitamin E reduces fat buildup and improves liver function. But remember, always consult your doctor before taking supplements for this. Ladies, this one's for you. If you struggle with painful cramps during periods, known as dysmenorrhea, vitamin E can help. Research suggests that vitamin E, either through food or supplements, significantly reduces pain and discomfort during periods. Pair it with fish oil for even better results. It's like a natural remedy for period relief. Many beauty products boast of vitamin E, and for a good reason. It boosts collagen production, which keeps your skin elastic, firm, and youthful. It also strengthens hair follicles, reducing hair fall and improving overall hair health. So, if you want glowing skin and luscious locks, make sure vitamin E is part of your routine. Vitamin E plays a critical role in brain health. It enhances cognitive function, which means better memory and sharper focus. For seniors, it's especially beneficial in reducing the risk of Alzheimer's disease and age-related memory decline. Think of vitamin E as brain food. With rising pollution levels, our lungs are under constant stress. Vitamin E helps protect lung tissue from the harmful effects of pollutants. It boosts lung immunity and even reduces the risk of respiratory issues like asthma. If you live in a polluted city, vitamin E can act as a shield for your lungs. Vitamin E is known to improve both male and female fertility. It enhances sperm health and count in men while improving egg quality and regulating menstrual cycles in women. If you're trying to conceive, vitamin E could be a helpful addition to your diet. Now, who should avoid vitamin E supplements? People on blood-thinning medications or those with bleeding disorders should be cautious, as high doses of vitamin E can increase the risk of bleeding. Always consult your doctor before starting any supplement. You can get vitamin E naturally from foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, broccoli, and avocados. For most people, a balanced diet provides enough vitamin E. Adults typically need about 15 milligrams per day. So there you have it, the amazing benefits of vitamin E. From boosting your heart and lungs to improving skin, hair, and fertility, this nutrient does it all. Remember, a healthy diet is your best source of vitamin E, but if needed, supplements can be helpful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Myoptar's channel for more health tips. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.